Good morning everybody, this is Mr. Driver School Driver Training. In this video I'm going to commentate about pedestrian crossing, how to deal with a pedestrian crossing and how to identify the pedestrian crossing, and we got a few roundabouts in front of us. On the same time I'm going to talk about how to deal with a roundabout safely. Okay, so if you got a driving test coming up or just want to improve your driving in general, and this video might be useful for you. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more content. So let's start from here. Let's turn around the car from here, reverse, we pull around safely. Okay, so we are in Huddesdon near Morrison car park. So at the end of this route I'm going to turn right. So what do I need to do? Check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right, and move from the car park when it's safe. So just gentle brake here, and if it's safe then continue. Okay, okay, so at the end of this road I'm going to turn a left. What do I need to do? Follow the MSP's routine. So check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, position myself towards the left hand side, and I can see a gateway line. I'm gonna look right, and then when it's safe then I can go 1 2 3. Yeah, it's safe now, beautiful. I'm gonna change my lane immediately to the right hand side, and I'm gonna take the fourth exit to the right hand side, fourth exit to the right. So mirror, signal, position, speed, and look. If it's safe, I'm going into the roundabout. That's exit number 1, and this is exit number 2. Okay, and this is exit number 3. Now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and come back to the left hand side. Okay, good. So now in this roundabout coming up in front of me, and in this roundabout I'm going to take the third exit to the right, but I'm going to stay in the middle lane. Why? Because I can see the signs and road markings, so the middle lane as well I can see allows me to go right. So what do I need to do? Check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right, look to the right, we give way to the right hand side, then continue. Okay, stay where I am. This is exit number 1, and then this is exit number 2. Now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. Good. Now cancel my signal, and in this roundabout I'm going to take a second exit ahead. So check my mirror, no signaling, position to the left hand side, look to the right. If it's safe, continue. Once I pass the first exit, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. The speed is 30 now, then continue. Okay, so now the roundabout is finished. Now at the moment then we're going to deal with a pedestrian crossing. Okay, so we're looking down the road at the moment. You see pedestrian crossing, check our mirrors, scan right, left, right. If it's safe, then check your mirrors again, and then continue. Now I can anticipate the red car might pull out here, but check my mirrors and then just anticipate they might pull out. There's a couple of potholes, avoid the potholes. There's potholes here as well, just avoid it if you can, if it's safe. Now we've got another pedestrian crossing coming up, so check my mirrors and just gentle brake because the light is red. Okay, and when we're stopping behind the car, tire and tarmac. Okay, good. When it's safe, then continue. Okay, so now again scan side to side, right, left, right. If it's safe, continue. Now I'm anticipating this car might reverse, then keep going ahead. There is no pedestrian crossing at the moment. I can see the sign of roundabout down the road. So, and then also the cars parked on the left hand side. So check my center mirror, right mirror, move away from these cars just in case they might open the door. Then check my center mirror, left mirror, come back again. That's good. Now at the roundabout, mini roundabout, we're going ahead, so no signal required here. So check your mirrors, look to the right hand side, position to the left hand side, then if it's safe, continue. Okay, so now pedestrian crossing here, we identify the crossing, mirrors, scan side to side. If it's safe, continue. Then we got a cycle lane, so make sure you're not going into the cycle lane. And I can see a cyclist in front of us there. Give them enough space to move away from them. Okay, so now I can see a cyclist, and also I can see the cars. They park on top of the cyclist cycle lane. Sorry, and then so just be aware of that. Now the cyclist gone into the cycle lane now. So now check my mirrors. If I can overtake the cyclist, give plenty of space, then continue. Now pedestrian crossing. Okay, so check our mirrors, side to side scan. Anybody pressing the button? Anybody there? No. If not, continue ahead. Beautiful. Junction onto the left hand side. Anybody pulling out? Now the white line comes out. We're driving towards the white lane. Towards the white line. Beautiful. Okay. So now the road is getting narrow. I can see the sign. Then drive closer to the white line to have a better view. Right. So now look. If any junction coming on the left hand side, yes, junction. Anybody there? No. Okay, so now we can see another pedestrian crossing. So check our mirrors and scan side to side. If anybody pressing the button, anybody there? Anybody? Yes, the person is there, but they haven't pressed the button yet. Okay, so just anticipating, just in case the light might change. So as we're going ahead, this is not a pedestrian crossing. This is a normal traffic light. So mirrors. Just off the gas and just gentle brake. So the beauty of driving is the planning, mainly is the planning. So if we plan ahead, the secret part of the driving is the planning and anticipating. So if we plan ahead, we're good. Right, so we're just going straight ahead after this light. Okay. Yes, so mirrors, if it's safe, then continue ahead. And just follow the layout of the road. And stay closer to the white line. So you got a pedestrian crossing here now. So check our mirrors, scan side to side. If it's safe, then continue ahead. See any more pedestrian crossing coming up. Right, okay, yes, we can see a zebra crossing there coming up. So check my mirror who's behind me and check side to side if anybody crossing, anybody coming, anybody in the zebra. No, there's nobody in the zebra, but make sure I'm not stopping on top of that pedestrian crossing. So make sure it's clear. Okay, so we're going ahead at the mini roundabout. So make sure there's space here. Yeah, I've got space. And then wait here again. Okay, there's no space. I don't want to block the roundabout. So if they keep going, then I can go. Beautiful. Traffic here. So I just moved a little bit to the left hand side to allow the car wants to go to the other side. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so it looks like the roadworks. Yes, some roadworks. They put temporary traffic light. Are they cutting the tree or something, or what are you doing? Yeah, temporary traffic light. There's some kind of work going there anyway. Okay, so there's a little bit of traffic, so I'm going to stop the video here.
Thanks for watching.
Thank
If
you
you'd
very
like
much.
professional
I hope you find this
driver
video
training
useful.
and real-world driving
If you like the
skills,
video,
click
please
the link
like,
on
share,
screen to
subscribe
book your
for more
lessons.
content like that. Thank you and have a lovely day.